Welcome to Star Chat, the premier podcast for all things space and astronomy. I'm your host, Carl, and we're thrilled to have you joining us today. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through the cosmos, exploring the latest news, discoveries, and advancements in space exploration. As we dive into our first segment, let's talk about something that's been making waves in the space community, the Artemis II mission. This ambitious endeavor aims to send humans back to the moon and eventually establish a sustainable presence on the lunar surface. But before we get to the moon, the crew of Artemis II has to navigate a complex and challenging flight plan. Imagine being an astronaut on board the Orion spacecraft, soaring through the Earth's atmosphere and entering into orbit. The excitement is palpable as the crew prepares for their mission. They'll have to endure intense G-forces during launch, followed by a series of critical systems checks to ensure the spacecraft is functioning nominally. As we learn more about the Artemis II flight plan, it becomes clear that this mission is not just about sending humans to the moon, it's also about testing the capabilities of the Orion spacecraft and its crew. From exercising in space to monitoring life support systems, every aspect of this mission is crucial to the success of future deep space endeavors. The crew will have to be vigilant, monitoring the spacecraft's performance and conferring with mission control to address any issues that may arise. And let's not forget the challenges of sleeping in space. With naps scheduled around critical burns and system checks, the astronauts will have to be flexible and adapt to a unique sleep schedule. As we follow the journey of Artemis II, we'll be keeping a close eye on the crew's progress, from the perigee-raise burn to the translunar injection (TLI) burn that will send them hurtling towards the moon. Will they encounter any unexpected challenges? How will they overcome obstacles and ensure the success of their mission? We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, folks. We're diving into the fascinating world of astronomy, and I'm your host, Carl. Today, we've got a treat for you, a stunning collection of deep sky photos from the Earth sky community. These talented photographers have been busy capturing the beauty of the night sky, and we can't wait to share their work with you. Let's take a look at some of the highlights from September 2025. We've got breathtaking images of nebulae, galaxies, and star clusters that will leave you in awe. From the Witch's Broom Nebula to the Andromeda Galaxy, these photos showcase the incredible diversity of our universe. You'll see stunning shots of supernova remnants, like the Veil Nebula, which is a testament to the explosive power of stars. But what's really remarkable about these images is the dedication and expertise that goes into capturing them. These photographers have spent countless hours perfecting their craft, often in challenging weather conditions, to bring us these breathtaking views of the cosmos. And it's not just about the technical skills. It's also about the passion and curiosity that drives them to explore the night sky. As we gaze upon these incredible images, we're reminded of the infinite wonders that await us in the universe. From the majestic sweep of galaxy clusters to the delicate dance of binary stars, every photo tells a story of the awe-inspiring beauty and complexity of creation. So, take a moment to appreciate the artistry and science that goes into capturing these deep sky photos. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or just starting to explore the night sky, these images are sure to inspire and delight. And who knows, maybe they'll even spark a new passion for astronomy in you. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos today, I'd like to take you on a fascinating detour to explore some intriguing developments in asteroid deflection. You might recall that NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART mission, made headlines last year when it successfully smashed into an asteroid called Dimorphos. The goal was to test whether we could nudge an asteroid off its course should one ever threaten our planet. Now, new research has shed some light on the aftermath of that collision, and it's left scientists puzzled. It turns out that the orbit of Dimorphos didn't just change immediately after the impact, it continued to shift over time in unexpected ways. Initially, the orbital period decreased by about 30 minutes, but in the following weeks and months, it shrunk by another 30 seconds. The question on everyone's mind was, why? A team of astronomers proposed that perhaps the smaller satellite was gradually ejecting rocks that were churned up by the impact, causing the overall system to lose energy and the orbit to get smaller. However, a new study has calculated that this explanation just doesn't add up. It seems that Dimorphos isn't massive or strong enough to send debris flying out of the system. So, what could be behind this mysterious shift? The researchers suggest that the impact might have sent Dimorphos spinning in a complex way, sloshing rocks and boulders on its surface back and forth. Friction from these boulders, sliding around and colliding with each other, could produce heat, leading to a loss of energy that accounts for the reduction in the asteroid's orbit. While this phenomenon might not be directly relevant to deflecting asteroids heading towards Earth, since binary asteroid systems like Didymos and Dimorphos are relatively rare, it does highlight the complexities and uncertainties involved in predicting how asteroid orbits change after their struck. It's a reminder that there's still so much to learn about our celestial neighbors and the intricate dance they perform in the vast expanse of space. And speaking of asteroids, I'd like to touch on another story that caught my attention recently. You might have heard about NASA's plans to deflect an asteroid called Dimorphos, as well as a separate report about an unexpected outcome from a recent asteroid deflection test. It seems that the test had a puzzling outcome, with the asteroid's orbit changing in ways that scientists can't fully explain. As we continue to explore and learn more about asteroids and their behavior, it's essential to remember that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. The more we discover, the more we realize how little we know, and that's what makes this journey so captivating. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.